Welcome. This episode we will be building the part 5-43, the side Fulcrum pin bush for the A-ring for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 5-43, the slide Fulcrum pin bush O-ring for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's go new. It's going to be part MMGS. Alright, we're going to go to front plane, normal, sketch. Going to put a circle. That's going to go in the center there. Make sure it's select the center point. That's going to be, no, circle and measure. That's going to be 11.75. We're going to exit out of that one. We're going to go into the right plane, normal. Zoom out a bit. We're going to go to sketch. Going to do another circle. Just do that round there. Right. This point and this point is going to be vertical. This line, the outer line, and that point is going to be joined. There we go. So there's now stuck there. And that's going to be 11. So now we exit out of that. Let's zoom around. Oh, hold on. Oh, sorry. My bad. This one here. Sorry, that's got to be 1.5. My apologies. Exit out. And this one here is going to be 11.75. 75. My bad. There we go. That's better. My apologies on that. And we should be, yep, not in sketch. Now we go Swift Boss Base. Got this circle one, what we want to be the solid part. The next one will be the track, the part that follows. And there we go. Go to materials. And we want to go down to rubber. When the seam fits the best. And just put that on. And that's going to be everything. And that's it. That's part 5-43. The slide Fulcrum pin bush O-ring for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Done. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Very short and sweet. But, you know, every little tips helps. I'll see you next episode. And remember, keep building.